Good morning, students. Open page number 7 of your textbook. We are recently done with the lesson The Cracked Pot, and now we are going to turn towards your next poem. But I'm not going to tell you the name of the poem. Once you open the page number 7, you will understand. Because this poem, this is special for me, right? So before we start anything, we need to complete introduction part of this poem. Before that, we will see what is given on page number 7, the activity listen and say aloud, and then we can go further. Okay? So just repeat after me, look into the book, page number 7, textbook. They have given word and its rhyming words. First word, D-R-E-A-M-S, dreams. D-R-E-A-M-S, dreams. S-E-E-M-S, seems. Dreams, seems. Dreams, seems. Second word, T-H-E-M, them. T-H-E-M, them. S-H-A-M-E, shame. Them, shame. Them, shame. Third word, S-E-S-C-H-O-O-L, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. R-U-L-E, rule, school, rule. K-I-N-D, kind. M-I-N-D, mind. Right? What is given in warm-up activity? Do you think we should mistreat our friends because of who they are? Why or why not? Imagine if people treated you poorly and did not let you do things that you want to do. How would you feel? Give reason for your answer. Yes. Now we will see an introduction part of this poem. Let me tell you the name of the poem, why it is so special for me. Because the name of a poem is Baba Saheb. Who is he? I wouldn't say who was he, because for me, he is alive and he will be alive. Always. Right? So, who was or who is Baba Saheb? Turn the page. See, Baba Saheb, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution, studied at London School of Economics and Columbia University in the United States of America. He completed his PhD in economics. He used education as a tool to rise above and became one of the great leaders of modern India. He was the first Dalit student to complete his college and then dedicated his life for the uplift of the people. He strongly believed in equality and equality and powerfully advocated women's rights. His speeches reflect his ideologies, right? But you still must be thinking, who is Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar? I think this name, when you say B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, I think name itself is, enough to understand his work. Right? Name itself is very much, you can say, everyone knows him, everyone in India. He was jurist, he was economist, he was politician, he was philosopher, anthropologist, sociologist, educationist, editor, journalist, historian, and writer. And so many things. Because I have been so much influenced by him. अभी आप सोच रहे होंगे कि लाइक एज पर योर ग्रेड आप अभी सारे थर्ड में पढ़ रहे हो तो लाइक यू आर स्टडिंग इन प्राइमरी सो यू मे नॉट नो मच अबाउट डॉक्टर अम्बेडकर. Generally what happens, even you must have observed, if you are in a class and one of your friends is teasing you, कोई आपको चिढ़ा रहा है क्लास में, looking at you, let's say you are a bit dark in a color, or let's say you have some problems while talking, you may be fumbling or like that. अगर आप में कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा और आपको क्लास में से किसी एक अगर आपको चिढ़ा रहा होगा तो यू फील सो अनकंफर्टेबल, यू फील so insecure, you feel so restless that you cannot sit into the class and just you go on crying and then you go home, you tell your parents. ये सब चीजें आप कर देते हो because you feel so bad, you feel so hurt. Let me ask you one question. एक कोई क्लास का स्टूडेंट अगर आपको इतना चिढ़ाता है क्लास में अच्छे से, ही डजंट बिहेव प्रॉपरली, ही डजंट ट्रीट यू वेल, यू गो ऑन क्राइंग, घर में जाके पेरेंट्स को, टीचर्स को, क्लास टीचर्स को बताते हो, तो थोड़ा सा सोचो. डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर, when he was child, when he was studying in the school, he was literally thrown away. People used to call untouchables. People, even teachers, even the other students, he was not allowed to sit into the class. Right? He was made sit outside of the class. And whatever he learned, that is from the door. And today he is the father of Indian Constitution. That time he was not allowed to sit into the bullock cart. He was, जो बैल की गाड़ी होती है उसमें भी उनको बैठने नहीं दिया था. But today अगर आप देखोगे तो जो एयरपोर्ट है नागपुर का वो उनके नाम पे है. He was the person, you know, he has been such a talented that I have never seen such a man in the world. And I'm that inspired. Because he worked for, women. He worked for farms. He worked for people. He worked for so many things. But बुरी बात यह है कि आज लोग उनको सिर्फ किसी एक कास्ट के साथ में जोड़ देते हैं. And that is the bad thing. Whatever he did for India, for our country, right? Generally, you must be knowing in Hinduism, there is a division, there are categories, and people often, like tease those who belongs to the lower caste, right? Those who belong to lower caste, who we call Shudras or untouchables. And he is one of them. That's the reason what he did, he left his religion, he left Hinduism, and he just accepted Buddhism. Why? Because there is a no caste in that religion, right? So such a great leader, and I'm going to teach a poem which is about him, so I'm extremely happy, right? Such a man that we can learn so many things. बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं हम उनसे, बहुत कुछ. आज जो वुमेन्स के लिए जो भी कुछ फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल है फार्मिंग के लिए, आज जो आप देख सकते हो कि महाराष्ट्र का जो मराठवाड़ा रीजन है, विदर्भ रीजन है, वहां पे बहुत सारे पानी के प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं इन जनरल। तो डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर उन्होंने तब कब 50 years ago, long back, he talked about rivers, जो नदियां जोड़ने का प्रकल्प था, राइट। इस प्रोजेक्ट के बाद सारी नदियां अगर हम जोड़ देते हैं तो वी विल नॉट हैव द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ अ वाटर एनीवेयर इन इंडिया, राइट। सो उनका ज्योग्राफी सुपर्ब, उनका हिस्ट्री ऑसम, he is a versatile, a multi-talented man of India, and no one can be like him. So just learn about him. This poem we are going to learn something important, and he worked for those who are called untouchables, those who are not in a mainstream of society. Today these people are working in each stream, in each field, right? Each field these people are working, they have developed themselves because of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, right? And I salute him. I'm no one to salute him. Who am I? He's such a great person and I really love him. So in next part of this poem, we will learn the poem. I hope you understood कि डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर कौन है। मैं नहीं बोलूंगा कौन थे, बिकॉज ही विल बी अलाइव till this earth is there, this till earth is exists, right? All right, we will learn the poem in next part. Thanks a lot.